Another May comes rolling in, and the world keeps moving fast. But somewhere beneath these quiet skies, names are carved into stone, and memories still stand at attention. There's a flag on the corner fluttering slow. Old man sitting silent at the VFW hall. Photographs fading in a wooden frame. Still young forever, though the years have changed. Mama keeps a folded letter in a drawer, reads it every Memorial Day once more. And somewhere a bugle cries through the trees, like heaven whispering, remember me. So raise one up for the fallen tonight, for the ones who never made it home alive, for the boots in the mud and the crosses in white, for the tears nobody sees late at night. And freedom ain't free, everybody knows. It's written in the silence where the lonely wind blows. Every small town graveyard, every name in the rain. We remember, we remember again. There's an old man standing by a Vietnam wall, hands trembling softly as the shadows fall. He ain't talking much, just stares ahead, still hearing voices of the friends now dead. A little girl waves a flag in the sun, too young to know what was sacrificed for everyone. But someday she'll understand why people cry when tap starts playing beneath the sky. So raise one up for the fallen tonight, for the ones who never made it home alive, for the boots in the mud and the crosses in white, for the tears nobody sees late at night. And freedom ain't free, everybody knows. It's written in the silence where the lonely wind blows. Every small town graveyard, every name in the rain. We remember, we remember again. Maybe somewhere beyond the stars, they're watching over who we are, still marching proud, still standing tall. The brave souls who gave their all. So let the flags fly high in the summer wind, let the church bells ring for every friend. And if you got someone missing tonight, say the name beneath the candlelight. 'Cause freedom was paid for in blood and pain by hearts that never came home again. And though the years may slowly fade, their sacrifice sacrifice will never fade. For every soldier, every mother, every father, every friend, gone but never forgotten. Happy Memorial Day from Lyra, Solenne with Vingman and Kaaski.